Good morning, YouTube. This is Grumpy Old Redneck here. This is an unboxing video for the Amazon mystery box I bought off of Facebook. Cost me $20 plus shipping, and we're about to find out if I got my money's worth. Hope you enjoy. Sorry for the little bit wobbly camera work. Most of this is done handheld. Anyway, on with the video. Well, at least it's not something worthless. Worth $20? Maybe. Maybe not. Something I can use? Surprisingly, yes! That was the Amazon mystery box. I was prepared to be disappointed, but honestly, I can't say that I am. Alright. There we go.